It's now time for Reshma's beauty tip of the week. With Diwali and Halloween now behind us, our hair is in much need of some love and care. Here's how you can spend the weekend repairing and restoring your lovely locks that were most likely damaged from all the festive season styling. The Reshma Beauty Coconut and Henna Haven Hair Care Set is ideal to envelope your dry, damaged hair with luster and shine. This bountiful bundle includes the intensely softening Reshma Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, the nutrient-rich Reshma Beauty Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner, two of the Reshma Beauty Signature 30-minute Henna Hair Colors or Reshma Classic Hair Colors, and your choice of one Reshma henna-infused hair oil. Once our hair is fried, it loses its natural moisture and elasticity, and the best solution is reconditioning treatments rich in nutrients and other ingredients that help strengthen the hair while making it soft. Coconut, for example, is an ingredient that penetrates hair in ways that other oils are not able to, which is why some people notice amazing results relatively quickly when using coconut-based products for hair. The Reshma Beauty Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner can help significantly reduce protein loss from hair. It can also help retain moisture and keeps your hair shiny and silky. It also conditions the hair from within, protecting it from heat and environmental damage. So start your hair care regimen with a healthy dose of Reshma Henna Infused Hair Oil and leave it on for half an hour or more. And then wash it off with Reshma Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner, followed by Reshma Henna Infused Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. This mask is full of nutrients from ingredients like avocado, chamomile, aloe vera, and more. The combination of these will help deeply soften your hair while also repairing all the damage caused from chemicals and heat. And the cherry on the top is, of course, our signature 30-minute henna hair colors or our classic hair colors. Excessive styling can affect the texture and color of your hair, but not to worry because the Reshma Beauty Coconut and Henna Haven hair set has your grays covered too. And if you wish to try some exciting shades and tones, you have the choice to pick from any two colors. So there you go, indulge in the goodness of our powerhouse natural ingredients and bounce back like never before. For more tips like this, make sure you visit us on all our social media platforms and also check out our website and blog. Until next time, make sure that these hair goals become life goals.